Hey guys, I'm excited to give you a walkthrough video today about our Leisure World fix and flip that we're just finishing and throwing on the market. So let's go ahead and go check it out. All right, what's up guys? We are here in front of 1316 Leisure World and we have completed this flip. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside of this property and all of the renovations that we did.
We fully renovated the kitchen, as you can tell, with new countertops, cabinets, appliances, and everything inside of it. We also did new plumbing and electric. This wall over here, we decided to remove that wall and create an open floor plan with the living room and the kitchen. Here's the other side of it where the kitchen is now, and then what we did when we knocked down that wall. Super happy with how it turned out.
All right, what's up guys? I want to share with you the master bedroom. This is by far one of the focal areas with the shiplap in the back. And then what we also did was an incredible bathroom. So let's go ahead and show you guys the bathroom. And what's a master suite without a master bathroom? So we got the dual vanity with the new countertops and cabinets, and then the white subway tiles inside of the bathroom. All right, what's up guys? So we're just wrapping everything up here at this flip in Leisure World. I mean, our contractor Scott did an amazing job and we couldn't have done this project without him or without all of his crew. So we really appreciate all the help and excited to get on another project with him soon. The Leisure World house, as you can see, is completely done. We got staging that's going in on Friday, which is tomorrow. And all of that staging is gonna really sell this house and be ready for the market and a new family to move into. And one of my favorite things is seeing the finished product and then going back and looking at the old photos and seeing the complete difference of that house and how it was transformed. And everyone that helped out on this property has done an amazing job on getting it to the point where it is today. And I'm just super happy to be a part of that too.